Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's indeed a pleasure and an honor. I have with me Mr. Sabyasachi Senapati from BharatPe. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Amazingly well deserved. And how was the overall experience in the India Banking Summit and Awards? You are obviously the winner, so I'm sure it's going to be great, but I want to hear it from you.
Sure, I think winning is always the icing on the cake, but I think the event was quite well organized. See, the events like this, I take the opportunity to meet sort of like-minded people. You get to see what's happening in the industry, what's happening with others, right? Especially others who are winning awards, what are the things they're doing right? So I think great networking place, getting to hear other people. And like I said, winning the award was a icing on the cake.
Absolutely, and very well deserved as well. My next question to you, game plan, vision 2025. How do you see BharatPe in 2025? What's the roadmap? What's the game plan?
Sure. So I think, BharatPe is a relatively young company. We've been in existence for a little over 4 years. And in 4 years, we have built a very strong merchant-focused business. We had just got into consumer business as well. For us, 2025, it's a very long horizon, right? It's still 3 more years. So immediate plans is, we need to grow on all our key metrics. We're looking at growing 3 to 4x over the next 12 to 18 months. And, the idea is grow, but grow profitably, right? While we achieve success till now, I think for us, the next milestone is, grow profitably, go for a successful IPO. And probably by 2025, hopefully, we'll be a listed company.
Absolutely, and I'm sure that's going to be very true. And even before that, it might, you never know. Now, my next question to you, in the changing landscape of the fintech sector in India, how and what role of BharatPe you see playing in the changing dynamic landscape of fintechs in India?
Sure. So, like we were discussing earlier in the day, there have been multiple so-called waves of fintech evolution, right? I think we are way past probably 2.0. We are looking at a wave 3 or wave 4, whatever, right? So I think, the whole idea of getting fintechs into the ecosystem, their value add is, one is technology, right? They are the ones who can innovate on technology and probably faster than some of the larger financial institutions. Second is, getting, reach and access. For instance, for BharatPe, our core segment is merchants, the small merchants, your neighborhood kirana stores, your grocery stores, right? Who are basically not covered under a formal banking or a formal credit mechanism, right? We've been able to sort of reach out to them, offer credit to them, offer payment products to them, right? So I think the idea is fintechs will continue to play a role of reach, access, innovation, all these dimensions. And as BharatPe, we need to be ahead of the curve, right? We need to invest in technology and products, continue focusing on our merchant segment, continue offering more products to merchant, make their life more convenient, and as well as get into new segments like BNPL and others which we have gotten into, have a strong value proposition there on the back again of our product and technology, and hopefully sort of scale that up as well, right?
Absolutely.
So basically ahead of the curve and innovation, I think that continues to remain true for BharatPe or whichever fintech is in the play.
Absolutely, and very well said, Sabyasachi, and I'm sure that it's going to be growing from strength to strength for BharatPe and making them one of the biggest in this industry. Thank you so much for your time, and ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Sabyasachi Senapati from BharatPe, and congratulations once again for the award. Thank you, Sabyasachi. Thank you so much.